Hi, welcome. My name's Alan Simpson. This is a demo of my Easy CSS Gradients course, a short, free 20-minute course on working with gradients. In there, I'll show you the basics of creating super simple gradients. Now, you should be somewhat familiar with HTML and CSS to be able to follow along in here and be able to write and edit your own code. But one way to do it is to simply type the code yourself, of course. So, and the very simplest gradient of all is just a linear gradient with two colors. And when I look at that at the web browser, well, it's kind of weird. It's kind of more like stripes than a gradient. That happens when you apply it to the body sometimes. So to fix that, you just put a space and the word fixed at the end, and then that'll stretch it out so that it fills the whole page body. Now, as an alternative to writing the code yourself, you can browse out to alansimpson.me, my website, and click Web Coders, and then click Tools, and somewhere in there you should find a gradient maker. Click that, and that'll open up a page that lets you design the gradient more interactively. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can pick a basic pattern or direction by clicking the squares at the top. Then you can use one of the predefined color schemes if you find one you like. And you can go back and change the pattern anytime. You can reverse the colors just by clicking this little arrow between the hex codes. And if you don't find a scheme you like, you can certainly enter your own hex codes. Okay? And once you're done and you find something you like, you can just copy paste the code right out of that box into your style rule and you're good to go. You're done. Okay, and now also down below I have a link to Adobe Color CC here, and that's a good tool for finding colors that don't clash, and I'll demonstrate that for you. I'll show you how to create a nav bar or tabs and how to apply a gradient to those. And then if you outgrow these simple two-color gradients, just come on down to the bottom of the Gradient Maker tool, and I'll provide links to other resources for creating more complex gradients that use multiple colors and stops and such. So if that sounds like something you might benefit from, just click the link in the description for this video and that'll take you right there. Okay, hope to see you there.